Hello, this is Tarek Habib. In last class, we discussed about Laravel, why we use Laravel and who can use Laravel, and we created a project named my Laravel, and we ran the project in this address. Today we started class 2, and today we will discuss about creating database in MySQL and link the database to Laravel apps with migration command, and then create login and registration, and we will register one user and then we will log in, and if you want to know more about Laravel documentation, please go to this link. I will give this link to the description section below the video. Okay, when we created project, we have a file named .env environment file, and in environment file we have to change the database name, and I'm showing you. In env file, this is env file, and see here db connection MySQL, db host localhost, db port 3306, db database my Laravel, and our database name should be test, username is root and there is no password, so I save it with Ctrl S. Now we will go back to database in MySQL. This is MySQL PHP admin, and I will create a new database named test, test, create. See, a database is created named test, and this is empty database. Here is nothing. We will run migrate command to get necessary tables and users, we go to terminal, go to new terminal, see here we have finished modifying .env file, and we already created a DB named test in MySQL database. So we will install user interface by this command, composer require Laravel / user interface UI. I copy it and paste it here, waiting to be opened. Paste it here and press enter. Here's website, and download it, and right mouse click, run as administrator, click next, it will be installed. Before compiling your CSS, install your project's frontend dependencies using the node package manager. So what we will do, we will run npm install. It takes couple of minutes, npm install. We need a couple of minutes. We are copying the command, and now we will run it in the Visual Studio Code terminal. It will create authentication, a built-in login and registration form. And now if we go to database, and I think if we run the project, then see what happened. Waiting to be run the project. See, login and registration come here, yeah, like as a menu. And if we click on the register, you see the register window come, but here is no CSS or bootstrap. To get CSS and bootstrap, we have to run another command. I'm showing you. Before that, we will run migration command, yeah, php artisan migrate, so that we can connect to database and we can create necessary table in the database automatically. Laravel automatically do it for you. See, this is empty, here is no table, yeah. Now run this command. Command completed successfully, yeah. Tables are created in the database, so that we can enter data in the registration form and we can log in. We can save the data, yeah. Now we need to run nodejs. We have to install nodejs. For that, you go to internet and download it and just install it. This is the out of the scope of this lecture to show the installation of the nodejs. So now we run npm install to run the necessary packages into the project. We will compiling CSS and our project front-end dependency using the node package manager, yeah. npm install, we will run it from the command line. Copy it and paste it in the command line and press enter, please. It completed successfully. Now we need to run development server. The npm run development command will process the instruction in your webpack.mix.js file and compile CSS and JavaScript files and place it in the public directory. Copy it and paste it in the command line, and then we'll run the project and see what happened. Command completed successfully within a couple of seconds. Now we run the project and we'll see that the project get the necessary CSS and bootstrap. Just refresh the project. And now click to register and see the project get necessary CSS and bootstrap link. Now we will enter data here and see what happened. We register one user named David. And we give the password after that. password should be 8 character at least. Then copy it for the login, register, don't save. See, it's logged in. Log out, then again log in. One to 8 is the password, and then log in. So this time we will be logged in. Yeah. And see, in the test database, tables are created. Waiting. See, these tables are created, and if we click on the last table, see what is there. There should be the data of the user. See here the data, David, and the password, and the encrypted password. Yeah. So this is the end of the lecture. Hope to see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Bye bye.